Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am going to create this. Drag these two logos into the timeline. And press S for scale properties. Now I am going to rename it these logo layers. Now select the first layer and drag to the left. Same other layer to the right. Now right-click here, go to New and create Null Object. Now select this layer, press and hold Ctrl key and drag to the right, center of the logo. Now select the goggle layer and parent to the null object. Now select this null object layer and press P for position. And animate like this. Now select the Chrome logo layer and parent to the null object. Now select these two keyframes and press F9 to ease them. Go to Graph Editor and set the graph like this. Now please watch carefully now. Set the handle exact between two keyframes. Now select the goggle logo layer and press Ctrl plus Shift plus D to trim the layer, and delete the extra part of this layer. Doing the same thing with Chrome layer also. Now pick a pen tool and select the null object layer and set the path like this.